wakwa ntuko yaku ya Jumatatu nitite na mbere bwega ninguku gwato geni kirinteto chetu cherutha mugwanja mbita Maureen Kinya tukiambiriria na rugono rwake bamwe kurumoro kumenyekana ta Stella Gataka nethiritwe akuite na mwiri jwawe kwithirwa jugite 1 terecha 72 kanyakine aria akuje barane akari bethiritwe bagitaririria ichunche bimwe byawe biti kwithirwa bikioneka kagitene ukaonoe chibo wa itura riri nkuruki nethiritwe agitariria nchobi ndege na watho nitithiritwe igitabarika ntereji na kuria nande akari bethirwe bakimenyera ni untu wagagia kinyane bukuonekana takabongerekete ni untu kiumia kimwe kuri na ntumurume umwe uria wethiritwe kinyawe akiuragwa kirabune kimwe
kana arukire ndokire kugwata habari thuru nyumba 10 ndasoka ndaringira maira manager Mr. Mpothi yangi Godfrey nkira kwa ate kwina mwekuru onekana kwina rami ate hiyo na atakakwite kuna ndikenda mbarakisha mbeta kirisin na ndagere kunyanga mapema ngutakesi ndethera uma mwekuru nkumumenya aritwa Stella Kata norongorwa kaguruka na murume wawe takwa mati nkuthukana no mianga 58 au ndebetete mwekuru mukuru sana na nukuthana na no ndoragiri kiurone abari antoka kunite kandi na abari ne mukuku kyawe nuntungu kwa information ko na kanisa ne kanyakine asoka ndia atumire rusi riko yakwe jamongana aja uju kuringana na kitende kwa thithiritwe no mugakutha kwina antu bara muthingatite nuntu kuna itono okuringa ndona ringa ngikiongo na na wange ndene muri jothi urathukangitwe kuna antu bara muthingatite kana ba mutenda kitendo kiu na ni mwanga thai mbingire change kandare police station ndane police post Mr. Christ ne jama ginta scene na tuno scene ne daia jojo to the investigation na toka monka police on to your scene bagati investigation and I'm sure baba badire toto toka banasa soonest possible no to mo tendo kimbere mwingi ro watikana enda to karia ntureji na ndabero ntunture jako 14 pamikiswa bagwita ndiri patrols na bagwata muntu bandingira thimu andi unu andi na challenge eu na flash unu na challenge nge unu area yakwa kumala twatunyirwa asikari kanyakine para mwa unture yakwa ndi na lot of challenges no to the last week that Sunday kuna wanu ayang kana ka about 25 years endo ni mutugi na oragirwa kanyakine kanyakine market na twaswa mukuru zo ura na ntumenombi na ndi kutuna problem area chekwa no people they are knowing security there's no there's insecurity no police watu twadhamirwe na ni ndo janinka na ile managers na intena askari watu jabo father beja patrol once bango bakaja once na ndikanyakine uni ndi acting chief ningo ndimani seriously mpewa sikai at least onka yo abairi ndo kwanganiri bankaraia yani ngo onde chief this time nyama my life is in danger no tingui wale monde to tuko niminga ndu nkina ina no to monde era munene omwe era manager mbikia ambe into magoto tuko ntena bunduki na ndi oni ndina challenge yeu no nyani ngwengu ikeri nyani ngone na moyo ngokera lakini ndageria ku operate na ntu na nyumba 10 bambe mutatu ka kugwatia endo tuko batu tete na askari ondi romba thirikari uchu tafadhali kirero gyako ndi acting chief ndi number 1 week on acting chief ntethero na askari na ndisua untekegwa ngaitango gura kyombanithia na murungu anthetha nkai waskari kuko ngatembea ko tuka muthenya na ngete na kasingariza indi kitendo giki ntoka ya nchobi no ntutu mtundu agwata no tunyatu na mpwithia ja uju katothera mwe jugeria ya uju ndira ajumite ku na ndino uramuragire andi as from mtundu askari tukathi investigation na tukamikishwa tora tukagwata in suspect tukamukamata ajukirwa atua kulingana na sheria serikali ya Kenya.
Nawe munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua nethiritwe agitongereria kigomano ndene akaunti ya Tharaka Nithi gya kurwana na nchobi ndegene watho maturene haria ethiritwe akiuria atongeria na machibo amona kinyanini bao bethirwe barika tharikire kurwana na nchobi jiria ethiritwe akiuga nitabarikite bonene.
No, hapo basi. Watu uko salama? Yes. Yes. Are we good?
Ladies and gentlemen, rounds of applause. Thank you so much, Your Excellency. We welcome you to this meeting. And with all humility and with your permission, we request you that you remain upstanding for the national anthem and the East African anthem led by our studios. Studios, please. Thank you so much, Your Excellency. Once again, with your permission, allow me to invite County Commissioner Meru, Mr. Fred Ndunga, to lead.
Father.
Nawe Senator wa County ya Embu nethiritwe ya gitaririria gitumi bethiritwe bakiringa kura cia kigina ya county kwithirwa gikigitwa ta buria mangavana batendaga arethiritwe agitariria ni kumania na kuongereka kwa irandu ria Kenya arethiritwe akiuga thirikari yenda kigina kiria ikomba kwithirwa ikirikithia nikenda akaribethirwa bakiona witi na mbere.
Vuva ya kithurano kia mwaka muthiru thirikari cia kaunti kuvitukirira ngavana ao ciendaga kuongererwa mbia iria ciukaga thiini wa kaunti ngurani kuma bilioni 370 nginyagia bilioni 425 no ati uguo ndwanavotekekana kuona bunge ya Senate yarikiririe kuvitukia bilioni 385 kuringana na seneta wa kaunti ya Embu niwe Alexander Mondigi arauga ino ni kuona thirikari nene ndiri na uvoti wa kugaira thirikari cia kaunti mbia nyingi iria itarivo ni uthiete na mbere kuga thirikari nene gwa kavinda gaka irang'ang'ana na kuriva mathire maria yethire
tukiona thini wa Kenya uko tukona mathire mengi muno na kaunti cio ndeni enda mbia na thino cio uko urite county muno miaka mingi tukiona kava tuvitukia kivo tondu tungia vitukithirie 425 years in one governors mbesa icio itingionekanire na tungia vitukithirie mbesa itakoneka ikituthirwa counties na mon governor makigera mbesa iria itaivo.
Mondigi ni urongerera na kuga giki nikio thirikari iraungania ugoti mwingi niguo gukorwe na mbia cia kuriva mathire undu umwe na cia mirandi ngurani ya uthii wa na mbere guku akiongagirira na kuga mithenya yukite wona mathire mama manyivirira utonga wa bururi na wingi wa mbia cia matumiri ngurani ukathie iguru
irionekana wanacitu kwa hivyo cionthe no nivo kona nginya tax collection irendekana kwe nyingi nigetha budgetio ya 385 ituke kuonekana mbesa icio igakora ikionekana torugu maundu mathiete thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni gucenjia tiga icio kwa turi akanyiriku muno to thirikari ya kuria gutena mbia ino iku ya Kenya Kwanza ni twisi maundu mathi macenjetie.
Mondigi ariti miario ino ari kanitha wa ACK mwena wa Ngenge gicigo mbunge kia Mbeere Therero kuria kurai na arambi ya kugura mbathi ya kwaya ya kanitha ino na kuria akinyirie ndumiriri ya minister wa ugitiri niwe kithure kindiki ya thayo na urumwe makiria mwena wa kaunti cia Embu, Tharaka Nithi na Meru.
Kaunti tatu ambaye ni Mount Kenya East. Na tuko na viongozi wetu. Tuko na wale wazee tunawaambia pale ni vijana wetu lakini wazee ni wazee kimiaka. Lakini kila pahali yote tukitaka kwenda pahali huwa wanatutetea. Hapo tuko na kijana yetu ambaye ni shujaa na ni mfanyikazi mzuri, hata ni mfanyikazi wa serikali, anaitwa Profesa ambaye Profesa Kindiki. Nataka hii kipindi ya miaka 5 serikali ya Kenya Kwanza isimame vizuri na pia iangalie Mount Kenya hizi kwa miradi yote na hako pamoja na sisi.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, mbetagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.
Nawe injinia Muguna uraniwe murungamiri munene wa Roji ntere cha Nairobi nethiritwe agitaririria ni bagwikira mita cia kinande iria tikethirwa tikiagirithia utungata rwang'ine rwa Roji bubu nikenda waria Roji rwaku untu bubu kethirwa bukioneka ndende ya mitandaone akiuga bubu nikenda kurigiria unkumania kiri mantu jege Roji.
Trying to put new instruments or new type of meters which will reduce interactions between the customer and our staff to reduce corruption cases. And in fact also, it's good there is a somebody from EACC. They have been doing corruption assessment in many institutions. A few years ago, Nairobi Water used to be part of the group which used to be rated very highly. But these days we don't appear anywhere on corruption. The index is done by either Transparency International or the EACC. So issues of corruption, we have been tackling them the best we can, and we will continue tackling them. And I can assure you again, when we come to water dispensation or distribution, we have a program now we call Equitable Distribution. It is in our website. We distribute water based on that program. As the population grows in the city, every year the demand of water goes up by 20,000. The supply has been constant since the year 2000, when the last water sources for the city was done. The last source of water was done in 1997. It was supposed to serve the population of the city up to the year 2000. That's around 2.4 million people. Today we are serving the city around 5.6 million people with the same volume of water. So you'll expect some shortfalls. You'll expect some people who are staying in higher areas not to be able to receive the water. But we strive as much as possible to do improvements when we realize as a customer you are not getting water. Now, having said that, the demand of water in the city, today we can only be able to meet around 58% of the demand based on the amount of water we produce. And where the rain started hitting us is for the last 25 years, we have never developed any water source for the city. So until the Northern Collector brings some water, which was supposed to be commissioned in the year 2000, and we are still talking about it, water shortage, you will still continue experiencing the water shortage in the city. And even when it comes, the water from the Northern Collector comes, it will just be filling a very small gap. There is need to develop more sources, and the development of those sources is purview of the national government based on Water Act 202, which removed the development of water sources from the City Council of Nairobi to the national government. Because before, the City Council used to develop water sources every 10 years to take care of population growth.
Patrick Makau uria ni mubunge wa Mavoko nethiritwe akiritira akenya mukana kiri muswada turajuirigiritwe kwithirwa jugitonya ndene ya mbunge jwegie finance bill arethiritwe akiuga muswada Jojo Nkuruki jurajuirigiritwe kureta murutira jo munene ndeira jukethirwa jugikurukwa jukethirwa jukireta marinya jamanene kiri rwangirwa kuria ugoti ni rukiare ararukethwa mono rukiona marinya ja kunyamaria akenya.
Hii finance bill inasema you must deposit 20% of the amount demanded by KRA with KRA. That means mtu kama Makau wa opposition, kama nimekosana na wadosi huko, watakuja wanaambia Makau, you have not paid 1 billion tax KRA. Kwa hivyo lazima ulipe 100 million 200 million ndio usikizwe. Sasa kama wewe ulikuwa mfanya biashara na umewekewa hiyo 20%, lazima utoe ndio kwanza uongee na hao, si biashara zako zitakwisha. Kama ulikuwa na kitu zitakwisha. Kwa hivyo we are saying this tax is going to encourage witch hunting and is going to kill businesses. Kwa hivyo tunaambia rais, tafadhali uko na ideas ambazo unataka kuleta ama kuokota pesa through taxes. But the principle of economics says you cannot improve the lives of a citizen of a country by overtaxing them. Tunasema hizi taxes ni mingi, tafadhali simamisha kwanza, uchumi ni mbaya. Hata nimeona mvua imeenda, mahindi kwa mashamba imekauka. Sasa ukianza tena kutuambia tutoe hii pesa, tutatoa wapi? Number 2, the 3% levy ambayo mnaambiwa mtatunua manyumba. Mimi najua hapa kwa kanisa ule ajalala kwa nyumba hapa, inua mkono. Umetoka kwa kichaka? Si mmetoka kwa manyumba zenu? Hii affordable housing iko hapa. Kuna mtu wenyu hapa ambaye ako na nyumba pale kwa affordable housing? Ni kina nani wako kwa hizo manyumba? Sasa wewe hauelewi. Unafikiria hizi 3% ni ya ule mtu anafanya kazi. Ati ni ya mwalimu, ni ya daktari. But hii finance bill inasema wewe kama umeuza ng'ombe yako 20,000, hiyo 20,000 KRA itakuwa inachukua 3%. Ati kuwekea kando ndio usave upate nyumba, affordable housing. But we are saying nyumba ni ya mwenyewe. Nikitaka nyumba nitasema nijengewe. But I already have a house. Why do you want to tax me? It's supposed to be voluntary. Mukisia tunaongea maneno ya finance bill, hatuitaki. Tafadhali muelewe. Sisi hatupingi serikali, tunawaambia you are too ambitious at the wrong time. Na pia kanisa tuombee viongozi wetu. Nikiona Vice President anasimama mbele wa watu na anasema mpende, msipende, itapita. Huyo mtu kweli anapenda wa Kenya?
Ni kuma kiri rugono runi otokuona kanya ga kunogoka ugeta kuraja insokerete na Nteto Nkuruki.
Deu wanto ba deu kwagurana wa. Ekuribo betaga guchwa mwali uria bakoni mwali umwega. Na rira betaga ibejaga beja bakaraniria na ciari ba mwali ou. Igitaru mwali atona oro kugura muthaka itwainaga rwimbo. Yaru moto uwa nonkaga kugurwa nomburire nja ntegurwa muthara kana karama nyombe rugwata muthenya baterure bari nkinyanga nenchandi cia marigo bararagira ekurubana ndi bate gwita ngugera twaitatu tugatwari maga tugaicuira na ndi ekurubana ndi nabo ugetera ntomurume amwitera ngugi mantu yawe jatebua kamuntu agachume na njara ciawe nuntu akurubana ndi tibara ba mbere bana ndi mukuru eroka kuma rukiri age acietera kingotoro kiretere ona atereta nja agagikia nchobine mwekuru nweta kethima butine tere kana kura ngueja wenu okeja aruge mukuru uria wona gwitie irio na oteke ngotoro kiawe itete na gwitie irio ndene nyombe u na mwekuru no chwire irio biu.
Familia to unforgettable moments na Star Times. Usiwachwe nyuma. Cheki Hello Mr. Right kwa Rembo TV.
Saisi tall, dark and handsome. Ni mwanaume ni kiasi.
Familia nzima ijibambe juu tuko na favorites zote. Picheko.
It's amazing.
Emotions.
Didn't I already tell you that I want you to be mine?
Entertainment kusut kila budget na lifestyle. Drama kibao. Action ya kubamba. Familia nzima ijibambe juu tuko na favorites zote. Entertainment kusut kila budget na lifestyle. Download Star Times on ucheki favorite shows zako on the go. Star Times, enjoy digital life.
Uraigwa nkume ya mubango jothi Kenya Airlift Program ni mubango jurajo gutetheria aritoba Kenya kuthomera ndigiri mwanya cha masters nthigurune ya Amerika. Kuigwatira kanya gaka no mwanka withiro uri na grade ya B plane gwitia kiri KCSE na second class honors kiri degree ya university. Guchiandikithia riongera mutandao jetu jwa www.kenyaairliftprogram.com. Ofisi chetu iri Royal Business Park 4th floor Njorincheke Street, Meru Town. Turinge thimu gukurukira 0703 509 493. The Kenya Airlift Program, empowering Kenyan students. Yetu Sacco iri na nkuma enjaga kiri aritani aritingo gibonzo bathirikari na kinya kambuni ria turi na MOU nabo ya gutigira ba kugarura uturo bwa gukurukira super mapato loan. Kuma enjaga ni ati utetwa garanta, utetwa shares na no uri runduru na miaka 8 na interest ya 1% reducing balance. Kuona utungata bwa super mapato loan kana bunge turiongera branch yetu irere akwe nagwe kana waranire na tugukurukira namba yetu ya thimu 0711038000 kana info@yetusacco.co.ke kana www.yetusacco.co.ke. Yetu Sacco, your success, our pride.
Kamboni area ya Meru Dairy ni okugwata ogeni gwa murimi kiri monaneja urimi na ndethia cieria jaraja kethro jareki ni negesho ground Gitoro Njuma tariki 16 mweri Jojo kwambiria thaa 1 cia rukiri.
Na mbere njukia kanya ga gukaribisha arimi bonthe kiri kiatho gethu kinene gia tuko ya Njuma tariki 16 kirai getha kinaria ASK showground na mugeni wetu heshima getho His Excellency President wetu wa Republic of Kenya William Samoei.
Murimi ejawone na uthome mantu mwanya ja kuongereria riaku na ucionere ng'ombe gwiteria kilo 50 na ijire kuma bogeta ukono njira shege nande shegweka sirenji eku kuthondeka irobia ng'ombe wetumira otea na njira shege nande na kinya uitano umenyeri boto jao
ng'ombe icio thikethera iria ya fiunde na ciumete kiari mbetu barabara ritende na Meru na kinya ugono gwite kwetho okarijabo okarithia ng'ombe kuma kilo 40 na 50 na kinya above ndikenda tomba gwita na mbere bwega
ukethro inya na mandagitari bakuma Meru General baraba kaeja na motungata ja ugima bwa mwiri utheri mugeni wa giteo akethro ari rais wa Kenya His Excellency William Samoei Ruto bwinthe ni bugwati ugeni
Ngukugwata ogeni oringi kiri nteto chetu cha ruthamu gwanja ngichokera na nteto nkuruki na arua kiri kuria mwana ndagitari ni akwithirwa akiritana aciari itumi mwanya mwanya biria bitumaga mwana munini akaremwo ikuria bubwega.
Nga tutegera tuona ni kinu mtwana ba mabetu barega kurabia kure ukethera mwana na akinyitie gitara kuraini oroba Sunday mwana kwa karega kure kana uri arare akwambiria kwenda bia kure akaregana na mantu je bia kure wane ana betu tugere ana ria bakinye gitara kuthithirwa complementation nonto tugaga mwana ena meri 6 ya mbere 6 nonku wake wagithagia ntwarumwa indi kuma meri 6 mwana wetu ambirie kure na ndi iwe tumeta complementation nonto atu complement breastfeeding lakini mwana kuna thero eri ja bwega prova Sunday ukethera mwana kinya wa miaka inyaja mwaka jumwa kana miaka 2 mwana orova Sunday ni akurega ikure ngende tutegera tona ibi tuma mwana arega kure into kya mbere ukaje kwethwa irio biro kurugira mwana oku wimurugira irio the same akarairija o irio o biria warugire January no bio twenderea gya bio mwaka December au ukethera mwana oku airega kure irio no turi mwinyana ibambo ekaibia kurabira to barugira take an example nyaja ugetha iji ukerona ndikurija muchere ndengu Monday to Monday actually ugakinyia mwe inyagorege irio biria andi nyatu yana gintu kia mbere kira gituma wona ana betu bairega bia kurea ikutha wirugara mwana okugintu kimwe akithuru out jamono muno ana baba nini ukethera wikara wimurugaira mari wikwachi nyani kirenge nyani gituma nyani kirigo nyani ukethera mwana wande arire irio bimwe mwanka na mbwekere ibio bangi betu twamenyerio kurugira ana betu irio ake ntuko cyone no twikiri irio mwiko yani utumba kurugira mwana gintu kingi nyarugiro ka musere na kantu kangi inyaga kima kinyara inya samaki na mwana inyo munene ile bila twabarugiro bakwambira meri 6 no bareja mwakija bya na miaka iri nandi ukethera mwana na mbwekere ni irio biro kuruga na mwana wetu tukara turija gintu kimwe ikiona bana baraba ingi waroma irio bia obo barugaira endo kejo monjithie rio bienu biburugite omonjithie inya na gasiko kindogo ukona ibia kwenda bia watu bienda no ntoro birugite nirio inya bitereka kyo wona baraba ingi twenengera gakuro kana nguru irio bia mwana toteriza no ntora birugi number 2 ukejikona mwana oku ate korea kingi na kyono etherwe ajitwe mwana no etherwe ajitwe for example aketho na mweba no arege korea mwana oku akeja kwithirwa ena into jafango cha kiu no arege korea akeja kwithirwa na asindi kiu no arege korea akeja kwithirwa na H pylori no arege korea na akeja kwithirwa na into ja infection cha maumao no arege korea ko keja kuona mwana oku akorega korea no mwike sibitari etaga tegerwa na kingi na kio mwana no arege korea je especially akiuma maigo ukethera mwana atikwenda irio bibiumo indi into bia kunywa na kunywa bwega muno riu ituga mwana aka ukona ena ndariri jaiu na atema igwa kuma na igwe sibitari ategerwe imbi utuma arega kurea then bungi na bu akaja kuthwa atema igwa ukeja kuthwa nawe ima igwa kuma no withere mwana no arenda kunywa into bia kunywa aki kana bi soft indi bibinge bibiumo bi akaregana nabio no ntuba maigo na maigo najo mwana atitura au akirega kurea muthane withira mwana atia kuthiria meri 3 4 5 no maigo ne gitare kai ukona mwana achokera kurea kairi na inyawe ngono utege ukona makamburu ija kuimba konde ngia na turugire ana irio biria bie palatable delicious sumptuous yummy mwana arugire bibi kwereka irio bitariritwe bwega inyawa aruma kaigwa kwagamia kanywa aruma gichiko kingi na then bjo nyange to ugaja gutegerwa kira kingi kiumba gutuma mwana etherwa atina appetite.
Kambu kienine aria timu ya Kenya ya Harambee Stars ne kinyete nthigurune ya Mauritius ni kenda bethro bakithimana kathari na timu ya Pakistan kiri muchetho jwagi uchore katikati ka nthiguru ichicho ijiri.
What I expect is to give new players new chance. To have more time with the boys to try new things, so that we prepare. What I said from beginning, we're trying to prepare for the official matches, and therefore is this tournament important for us. So now with the match now, it would be 3 matches would be better for us to try more and also new players more. So now we will focus on the rest of the 2 games. How much it has effect on the FIFA ranking or something, I don't know, because from what I know the rules is that only on FIFA days time the matches count. So yeah, the match was on 11 June yesterday, and this was not FIFA day. Today is 12 June, now the FIFA day starts. Therefore I guess that it doesn't count in the ranking. This has many factors. One of the factors, of course, the performance in the league. Second factor is how they adapt here in the camp with the other players, and how they convince us as technical staff that they deserve the #1 shirt. So, and in this point, I'm happy that these 3 goalkeepers, or 4 goalkeepers, that they tried their best, and it will be not easy to decide. Comparing to the last Iran match, 5 players from the starting 11 miss, plus Kenneth Muguna, plus Alfred Skriven. So therefore we have a lot of players who will be not with us. This is of course a deep impact on the team, but on the other side, like I always said, I'm trying always to see everything positive, and this means that we will go on and try new players, and they have to take their chances. What they will expect, they have to understand that we are in the preparation till now, So therefore for us it's important to adapt, especially the players who are especially new, to adapt totally to my view of football. So, and for us it's there in Mauritius it's important not only to have a good result, also to play good football. And therefore I can say that I think we will go on in 2 matches to win. So, and for the football fans, I have also to say, really our team, and including me, we miss them because we want also to play at home. But it was in this period not possible. I hope soon we can come together and play in front of our fans.
Kinyira muthetu wa nteto chetu cheru thaa mugwanja nga kwendera ntuku njega itanambere na gukenera mibango ndene ya Weru TV Beta Maureen Kinya.